coating the metal surface for corrosion protection, that is phosphating. It is an age-old process, but there are various types of phosphating and they have various characteristics. If you want to know 3 types of phosphating and their characteristics, stay tuned. Corrosion protection is the main function of zinc phosphating. Apart from that, zinc phosphating is used as a pre-treatment for powder coating or painting process downstream. This is very widely used mainly in wire manufacturing, auto component manufacturing, and even electronic appliance manufacturing. So generally the fridges and microwaves or any metallic components that we use at home, they use, or the manufacturers use the phosphating process as a pre-treatment. Zinc phosphating is very useful in conditions where the component is going to be used in challenging conditions or corrosive environments. Hence, interestingly, armed services make it mandatory to get their components or metallic components zinc phosphated. Apart from corrosion protection, lubricity is another characteristic of zinc coating, and it also acts as a good carrier for paints, oils and waxes. Now, iron phosphate. Iron phosphate increases, or it is used where paint adherence is the main requirement. Apart from that, it also provides good impact resistance and it gives good protection against oxidation as well. Now, iron phosphate does not provide as good a corrosion resistance compared to zinc phosphating, but it is mainly the costs involved are low, and it can definitely be used in components which won't be used in harsh environmental conditions. So household, let's say doorknobs or these hand railings, these are generally coated by iron phosphate. Manganese phosphate. This phosphate process also provides a good undercoat for as a pre-treatment or painting application, but it also provides good lubricity. Manganese phosphate is probably the most absorbent of the 3 processes. Manufacturers generally use this process for rust inhibition, and it sort of holds on to the oils and waxes. So it provides good anti-friction and anti-wear properties as well. Manganese phosphate is generally more conducive for corrosion resistance than iron phosphate, but it is not preferred over zinc phosphating. But it is more stable than zinc phosphate in extreme pressures and temperatures. Now, these were the 3 main metal phosphating processes that are generally used in the industry, along with their characteristics and primary functions. I sincerely hope you learned something new about the zinc phosphating process today. If you would like to know more about this process, please mention it in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Think Filter. Thank you.